10 Survival Gadgets. Ultra Bright Emergency Glow Sticks. When traditional light is unavailable, these ultra bright glow sticks will light up your event like no other. They are so bright that they can be seen from a mile away. Long-lasting light, perfectly engineered under strict quality control, these glow sticks are made from high-quality materials to ensure 12 hours of glowing light. They are the perfect choice for emergency preparedness and survivalists. They provide 360 degrees of bright light, are easy to store, and have a long shelf life. Aurea Technologies Shine Turbine. The Shine Turbine is the ultra-compact, highly efficient, portable wind charger that lets you use the wind to rapidly create your own power to charge all your handheld devices, from your phone to your camera, anytime, anywhere the wind blows. Potable Aqua 50-count Germicidal water purification tablets. It comes with 2 bottles of 50-count Potable Aqua water purification tablets, providing water purification for camping, hiking, traveling, and emergency water purification situations. Very effective against Giardia lamblia, these water purification tablets make questionable water bacteriologically suitable to drink. TG Plasma Lighter Windproof USB. Having access to fire is necessary for cooking, cleaning, and warming. Well, this electrical lighter makes that feasible. It has a tough rubber shell, built-in short-circuit protection, and is weatherproof. Gerber Gear 31. The Gerber Multitool is small, lightweight, and has a clip that can handle up to 5 credit cards. It also has a covered 1.75-inch fine-edge blade. The primary benefit of this everyday carry is that it is convenient to store in your pocket and easy to use, allowing it to be incorporated into any routine work. The titanium-coated steel body of the money clip knife includes a sizable surface, rust-resistant components, and a G5 front plate. Rapid Rope All-Purpose Utility. One tall rapid rope canister with 120 feet of 1100-pound test flat braid rope. The ultimate survival paracord rope alternative for your indoor and outdoor needs. Rapid Rope is the smartest parachute cord alternative in the industry, providing you with unparalleled convenience in any scenario that requires traditional rope. Simply pull out the length of the rope that you need, then use the patented rope cutter to slice the rope. When you finally run out of the 120 feet of included rope, just open the top and insert a refill of this Kevlar rope alternative. Kidde Fire Escape. A flame-resistant, durable and sturdy, foldable fire ladder that attaches quickly to most common windows. It can resist loads of up to 1,000 pounds, doesn't require any assembly or tools, and can be deployed quickly in an emergency. ACR GLOBALFIX V4. When you're setting out on your next boating adventure, it's important to have the safety equipment you can count on. Designed with high-efficiency electronics that are built for performance, the GLOBALFIX V4 GPS Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon, or EPIRB, provides the only direct link to Coast Guard, letting them know who you are, where you are, and that you need help. Mighty Mini Bar. Its slim design makes it barely noticeable until you need it for a task. This pry bar is made from a single piece of aircraft-grade titanium. It only weighs 4 grams, so light you might even forget you're even carrying it, and it's perfect for thousands of tasks from opening boxes to plying a staple and so much more. Multitool Axe 11-in-1. This multi-tool axe is a great dad gift. There are 11 useful tools, including a sharp axe, hammer, knife, bottle and can opener, assorted hex wrench, fishing hook remover, Phillips screwdriver, slotted screwdriver, flat screwdriver, nail file and nail claw. It's made of high-grade stainless steel and the tools are covered with durable black oxidation. This makes them rust-resistant, which extends its service life perfectly. Its PVC wood grain handle makes it easy to use and comfortable to grip.